Hello and welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day for the 27th of October 2021, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So as we get towards the middle of the week here, what do you need to be aware of? Well, firstly, hedge funds and money managers, they have increased their overall net long position in gold in the last week. So of those funds that do have a position on, 65% are now long gold. And of course, we've seen that with the price action in the last week, with gold breaking out to 2-week highs. Now, over the course of this week, I am in fact expecting more range-bound price action. So essentially, I'm looking at support to be coming in approximately at $1,775 to $1,780 US dollars per ounce, and resistance over this week between 1,810 to 1,820 US dollars per ounce. Typically, in the lead up to the European Central Bank announcement, which we have on Thursday, gold can get a bid, and then later on in the week, on Friday, especially later on into the US session, often gold will pull back after a European Central Bank announcement. So I'm looking for the potential of that playbook to play out. As you know, we have a position on gold currently at 1,727 US dollars per ounce at the moment. That position is up over 700 points right now. Alongside that, we've capitalized massively on this explosive move on energies over the last couple of sessions. We built into two positions in the last week on natural gas, a trade opportunity that we identified with you and talked you through in detail on the previous week ahead commodity report. Subsequently, on Monday, we had a very large gap higher on natural gas on the Sunday open. And on Monday, natural gas prices ended up having a slingshot move higher, breaking out over 12% to the upside, the biggest one-day surge since September of 2020. And with that, we were able to bank over 2,000 points profit with our position. So of course, for every one lot contract that you'd be trading, that's over $20,000 of profit. For every 10 lot contract that you would be trading, that's over $200,000 of profit. And that was just within the matter of a few days. We've had an immense move to the upside on natural gas and also crude oil as well, breaking out to 3-year highs. Now, alongside that, other opportunities that I would keep an eye on over the course of this week would be copper and palladium. We're already starting to see them pull back a little bit, which is very common for the end of the month here. As you get towards the end of October, I'm looking at opportunities to buy in lower as we move into the month of November, which is typically a strong performer for some of these metals. So I'd absolutely keep that on the radar as we go through this week. So again, we have the European Central Bank announcement. That's going to be on Thursday. That is typically a catalyst for big moves with the precious metals. Also be mindful that the next Friday, we have non-farm payroll data as well. That can also provide some really fast opportunities to capitalize with the precious metals. Now, of course, this is where you want to be utilizing data, market intelligence, understand the daily, the weekly, the monthly, the quarterly cycles in the markets, particularly as they relate to commodities. Understand the news items which can have the biggest impact on commodities, providing very fast impulse moves where you can really profit extremely quickly off those breakouts, very much like we've seen on natural gas over the last couple of sessions. Now, alongside that, of course, you want access to data, market intelligence, the statistics in the markets, the facts. So for example, typically over the month of November, gold prices, they're broken down for the last 7 years in a row. If you know that, that helps you to be able to position yourself correctly for a potential bigger move lower over November, which sets up for some big opportunities into December. And of course, you want to know how the hedge funds, money managers, banks, and institutions are positioned in the market. Learn the intermarket correlations, the ratios, key areas of liquidity, sentiment in the market, and of course, capital flows. All of that will help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.